Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying hardware and assigning roles so traffic has purpose. Connect devices to the switch and power them. Make sure link LEDs light. Once done, configure one machine as a DHCP server or assign static IPs in the chosen subnet so devices can communicate. You install needed offline packages and transfer installers via USB. Make sure to set a clear IP plan and hostname scheme so later steps use consistent addressing and avoid conflicts. Once devices can see each other, you enable the core services that replace internet dependencies. Configure local DNS or edit hosts files so names resolve. This makes access human-friendly. Then enable file sharing with SMB or NFS and start service discovery like MDNS so devices advertise themselves. Install a local package repository or copy installers to a shared folder so updates and installs happen offline. Make sure to test each service from a client machine and log connection addresses for. You finish by validating every workflow end-to-end. Ping hosts, SSH into servers, mount shares, and load local web interfaces. Once done, document IPs, usernames, and where installers live. Create offline backups of critical data and configs. If something breaks, start simple. Confirm physical links and LED status, then verify no duplicate IPs and that firewalls allow traffic. If problems persist, review service, logs, and restart the affected daemon. This focused approach usually reveals the cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.